Shout out to Morris Chestnut, Tay Diggs, the rest of the cast of Best Man. Here we go. On a perfect day, I know that I can count on you. When that's not possible, tell me, can you weather the storm? 'Cause I need some